Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo Mom Nova and Miss Sofa. My name is Amiruddin. I am from Brave Class, CTC student 170. I wanna make conversation video part 3 with MS.
Yep. Good morning, Mom Nova and Miss Sofa. I am Syarial Putra, one of MS students, 102. And everyone's invite calls me Putra. So, Brother Amir, you can call me just Putra. Okay. Alright. So, Brother Amir, what is our topic today?
Our topic today, my best partner to solve my problem.
Oh, that's very amazing topic. So your best partner to solve your problems. That's great. So let me know. To whom do you usually talk about your problems?
Usually, if I have problem,
Yes.
usually I will tell to people who have right expertise.
Oh.
Uh, if if it's a business problem, I usually to tell my adoptive father because he is a businessman.
Yes.
However, there are problem concerning social life or especially religious problem. Usually, I tell to my teacher
Yes.
in my Islamic boarding school
Oh.
because
That's
my teacher in my Islamic school he understand better how to solve to problem related to religion.
Oh, that's great. By the way, let me know your Islamic boarding school. Where is your Islamic boarding school, by the way?
Name is
Yeah, the name of your Islamic boarding school and the
Oh.
place. Where is the positions, the place?
my Islamic boarding school in Barabai, exactly South Borneo.
Oh, South Borneo.
South Borneo.
That's so far from here.
Yes, so far.
Okay. By the way, where are you from?
I am from Samarinda,
Samarinda. Oh,
but I study in Islamic boarding school in South Borneo. I am from East Borneo.
yes.
Study in South Borneo.
Okay, that's good. So back to our topic just now about your problem. You have told me that if you have a problems, so you will solve that with your teacher, that especially in religion problems. That's
Yes.
great. So, if your partner cannot solve it soon, what will you do?
If my partner can to solve my problem, I usually I will try to solve it
Okay.
because I believe that every problem has a solution.
Yeah, that's great. All of the problem there is a solutions. Okay.
Yes.
Like in our religions that in Al-Quran, isn't it?
Yes.
what the chapter? Inna ma'al usri yusra.
Yes,
Yeah.
innamal yusri fa innamal usri yusra.
That's however there is a problem that yeah there is solutions even though that big problem that there is how to solve that problems. Okay, that's right. So now I want to ask you again about do your parents or your siblings need to know all of your problems?
Uh,
If
No.
yes, why? If not, why?
oh, yes. No,
No.
because they are my family
Yes.
needn't to know all my problems
Yes.
because I'm mature. I'm mature enough face to my problems.
Oh, you just want to solve your problem by yourself. Face yourself. You don't need to sell. You don't need to tell your problem to your parents or to your siblings, isn't it? Let's know about that.
Mm,
I mean, your parents or your sibling, your brothers or your sister, do they need know about your problem right now? Maybe your problem that you have some problem like you very difficult to understand lesson, or you don't have money again here.
Yes.
I mean, do your parents or your brother, your sister, or others, your family need to know about all of your problem?
uh, Perhaps
Yeah.
if problems like is money,
Oh yeah.
usually I tell to my brother
Oh,
or
you
sister.
Oh yeah. That's great. I think that's the big problem. If we don't have money when we're looking for knowledge in some place, we may not see anything, isn't it? So we have to first we ask to our brother or to our sister like that. If you
Yes.
don't have money, I can't hear that. I think
Yes.
that's a big problem. Yes, I think like that, brother Amir. If me myself, when I got a problems, the first thing that must I do by myself. I don't tell to everyone. I don't tell to my partner. I don't want to tell to my parents. I don't want to tell to my brother or my sister. I just want to face my problem by myself. How can I do that? So if only that problem may not, I cannot find how to solve that problem, that I will tell to my friends first.
Oh.
But until now, there is no big problem to me. Everything run well. Yeah, just it. But sometimes I try to tell to my parents, I tell to my mother, and I tell to my father. That's it. My father, I like this, like this. I think that not my problem. Is the only what is that? Just tell to my parents, and they will give me suggestion. Oh, you have to like this. You must do this. You must look like this. Yes, I follow with all of my parents' suggestions. That so the first things is if I got a problem, I just face by myself. I just find how I can solve that problems. So from me, and then I tell to my father or my mother. I know I don't want to tell to my friends. I don't want to tell to my best friends. No,
Yes.
I just face that problem by myself. Okay,
Yes.
like this, Amir.
Yes. That's all from we. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.